Otherwise, I was like, we
Well,
gonna
the
have to
mark,
go.
it ain't 9:30 yet, but even though it ain't no open. But yeah, my bad. Y'all know I'm
No,
bad with
no,
that.
because of the information you just gave, I'm like, I'm not gonna remember that.
I can do that one again. I can do that one again. And honestly, you should do this, every month or so anyway. You go to tools. You first of all, you got to disconnect from whatever one you have on here. Just disconnect from it.
Mhm.
Go to tools, import backup file. It's gonna pull up a little menu, and you could pick what you want to back up. I normally back up everything, and then you hit OK, and it's gonna back up everything, and it's gonna save a backup file. You then email that backup file to yourself. My bad.
Okay.
Export backup file. You're gonna choose what you want to back up, and you email it to yourself. As soon as it's done backing up, then when you get your new system and download NinjaTrader, you go to import backup file, and you importing that file that you downloaded back to your new NinjaTrader. It sounds like a lot, but it saves so much time instead of trying to set all this back up again on
Right,
a new
right.
computer.
Yeah.
But that's the best way to do it.
Okay.
That darn divergence, boy, boy, boy. It's just going off right now. It popped up, bounced up a little bit, came back down, popped up again, bouncing up. Even though the overall direction is down, divergence came through and snatch up a quick $150 to $100 if that's all you're trying to get.
Yeah, I just got to listen and entry.
Yeah, that entry is very important. This is I like this level right here because that was a 1 hour swing low, and it never closed below it, and then it created another a 5 minute swing low right here, and it has I think it'd be a nice little bounce, and then you have the overnight low. There's a couple good reasons. But I would like for it to go back up, honestly. I mean, NQ might not go back up until it gets down to this 4 hour level, like this 4 hour level, or maybe this gap. This gap might push it back up.
Oh man, I missed that.
Oh.
But it's still going down though, right? So that's what it looks like.
But the overall direction is down.
Yeah. Yeah.
But like little things like divergence and some of these levels, it's just good areas to get like a quick 100, 200 and get out the way. You know what I'm saying? It's not for a long time, just a fun time.
Yep.
Now the best trade was that short from the VWAP. It whipped up a little bit back to the previous divergence, and then it just dropped. That was the best one because overall we already know that the market was trying to go down because of that crazy gap that happened when the market opened up. So this crazy gap back here let us know that the direction was down today. Like that is a big drop. So that right there let us know that the direction is down. So yes, the best trade to take would be a short and just sit in the short. And that's why I was like, get used to having like one account. That's if you think the overall direction is down or up, get one account and just take like a micro trade, just one micro, and just let it ride just to see what happens. And just practice that strategy as well. Because the overall goal is to eventually get to be a swing trader. Every swing trader I know does really well in the market, and they don't have to sit here all day because it's going to get to a point where you're making enough money to where you're going to be doing other stuff. You can easily get really good now at practicing how to swing trade, which is looking at the market, understanding the overall direction, taking a nice trade, and just having the patience to let it ride around, and go up, go back and forth. But the overall direction, you know what it is. So I normally have one account that I use as like kind of like a daily swing. I can't hold it overnight because some prop firms, it is a prop firm that lets you hold it overnight, but most prop firms don't let you hold a trade overnight. So I'll take a trade at night, or I'll take a trade early in the morning, and I'll just let it ride out until right before the day is over. I'll close it. And that's why I went live that one day that I took a trade while I was asleep, and I woke up, it was up 3,000, and I just let it keep going until I passed it while I was live. And that just comes with practice. Just every night I pick a level, I set a resting order, and I go to sleep. But you just have to have a good ATM strategy.
Got another short off of that divergence on gold.
On gold?
Yeah.
Triple Vogues and gold. Let's see what gold talking about. Ooh, that was look at that jump to the top. Man, gold. Well, gold say I'm trying to go up.
And pop up on gold.
Gold said I'm trying to go up. And once again, knowing how gold moves, we knew gold was trying to go up because of this. This big old jump let us know that gold is trying to go higher. Gold ain't trying to be down here at all. So it's definitely trying to go up. Look at gold at the R2 already. I wasn't messing with it with that big old strong movement up. I'll chill.
Oh, now you tell me.
Oh. Oh, you gotta look at the market structure. Look at that. All them green candles going up like that. Yeah, I'm not jumping in front of that bus. Not saying it won't work because it's still the R2, but I like that's when that 3 tap thing takes effect.
Right. Well, I'm gonna let it sit and see what happens.
Yeah. Don't be scared of it though. Yeah, NQ is like, I'm trying to go
open.
down. I mean, yeah, it's open, but it ain't. You know what I'm saying? That's why you don't see NQ doing nothing crazy. Because New York, there is no New York. Well, not today, at least. It's Martin Luther the King. Yeah, you see, it's NQ ain't moving crazy. You know what I'm saying? Normally at the open, it'd be up and down on here, but it's just like, all right. Now it does say 82% chance of a long though.
You drop back down. Up under that R1, R2.
Order filled.
Yeah, I got out this.
All right, there we go. Look at there's gold. See, and that's what I'm saying. Like the entry is what's important. You could put a on the way down. You could have did like a sell stop. You could have waited for the 3 taps and then took a short. You know, it's different ways for entry on that one. I just want to jump straight in, and you know what I'm saying.
I just got a long off of it. Off the divergence.
Oh yeah. Yeah, NQ, that diversion's been popping up on NQ, letting y'all know, hey, dude, take a trade.
This was on gold.
Look at gold moving and grooving. Hello, I'll be right back. Let me let my dog outside. Hold on. Ooh, it look nice and cold outside. So, somewhere I'm not gonna be.
Man, it's so cold up here in Detroit.
Oh, I know that. I know it's cold up there, boy. That's that bone chilling cold up there.
Target filled.
Yeah, last time I was in Detroit was like February one year. And I was like, don't y'all ever send me up there in wintertime again. Ever in your life. 'Cause when I quit my job, I think it was Chicago they were trying to send me to. I was like, no, sir. I'm not going up there. Boy, that R2 is whooping gold tail.
Yeah.
Every time I go up there, you get slapped back down.
Order submitted.
And in NQ still they had a good little bounce off that low. Because even though New York not open, that still was a low before 9:30. It's just not going to be as strong as it normally will be, but it's still a nice little bounce. It didn't quite touch it; it just got close to it. Look at gold. New candle still dropping. But gold, I still think gold overall movement is up. It just got to get past a little bit of stress. And NQ overall direction is down. That's just the way. That's what the daily told us. Yeah, see, GC is struggling at the VWAP. See, look, overall direction of gold. NQ is down, but right now it says 100% chance of a long. So let's see how that plays out. But the overall direction is trying to go down. And gold is 77% chance of a short, but the overall direction is up.
My goal says long, 100% long.
On gold?
Yeah, let me try to reload my data because that's what it said.
Let me reload mine too then, because let's see what's going on. And mine still says 77.
Too. Mine says 100% as well.
Wow.
A long or a short?
Long.
Yeah, but it's steadily dropping.
Right.
But it's going down, so somebody wrong.
Probably have to hit that divergence line.
Let's see, go to indicators and remove your indicator and add it back. Hit remove, apply, and then just add it back on there. Oh, I removed the wrong thing. I meant to remove super price predictor. And then add super price predictor back.
This is your baby boy.
Yeah, mine still say 100%.
You can hear me. I love you so much. You sacrifice so much. Raising four.
Yes, mine says long 100% still.
Do you have it on RSI?
Yes.
And let me set mine then. Oh, mine still says 77 on GC.
That's what mine says.
Mine says 100 on NQ.
You look like a flower.
But on GC, mine says 77 short.
85 on NQ.
And where would it say the RSI thing?
Hold on. It'll be under indicators. It'll be right on. Hold on, where is it at? Right here where it says input series, RSI.
All right, I'm back. What I miss? Whole lot.
No. Gold going down and NQ going down. Trying to bounce up, but it's going down for now. And
I'm gonna have to let you look at
GC
this.
going down as well. off that R2. R2 was slapping up gold.
Oh,
Gold thought he had a friend up top, but got slapped back down, and now it's bouncing off the EMA.
yeah, that's why I got in that.
You got the EMA?
Yeah.
Yeah, the EMA on gold, that's a smooth 50 to 100 right there. There's your 100. I need NQ to go back up.
Oh, man.
That'd be nice for NQ to go up for me. Go ahead back on up there to at least the VWAP. I want gold to go back up to either the EMA or all the way back up to the VWAP. That'd be great. Oh, what was the percentage? Yeah, mine still say 100% chance of a long. So we got 16 seconds left. So we'll see. Yeah, I'm gonna reach out to Tyler and see what causes that.
Oh man.
Also, when you on y'all indicator, do you have maximum bars to 256 or do you have it on infinite? That might affect a little bit of something too if you have.
I'll check in a second.
Yeah, check on that for me so I know what to tell them. You're still saying 100% chance of a long?
To hit this buy market, man.
I was hoping NQ came down to this 4-hour level right here before it decided to go back up, but you know, do what you want. Do what you want.
Pay me something.
Yeah, that's what I was waiting for. I was like, come on down to this little 4-hour level right here. You walk over, you're gonna limp back. But yeah, it didn't get down there.
Keep going, go. There you go. It's struggling at the EMA.
Yeah. Yeah. But I mean, that was a nice EMA trade though. It's moving up.
I just got it.
That was nice.
I just want to go up.
Now mine says a 69% chance of a short on gold. What are y'all saying?
53.
53?
Mm-hmm.
Mine says 60.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't have all those.
And also it could be based. I'm gonna ask him, is it based off of how many days you have loaded also? Because I have 40 days loaded, so I wonder if that affects it as well.
Yeah, I got 50.
I'm gonna ask him while I'm here and thinking about it.
Special dedication to all the lovers out there. From my main man October London and Boney James. Cruising around the city, enjoying this October nights. Oh yeah, what a night. Show you right.
It's going up. Keep going.
All right, I just asked him, does how many days loaded change, because some of my students have different number amounts. So we'll find out what he say. And let me go let my dog in.
Got it.
I address you as your highness, cause I see you at your highest. And on a bad day, none can compete. And imagine us expired, but if ever we retired, I'll keep working till you're back with me. If you could see you through my eyes, you would know how much you give me life. If you would see you
Yeah, but that gold, look at that. That was a nice gold one. Look at that, that was nice. It dipped down a little bit here, went back up, dipped down a little bit, but the overall direction is moving on up. Nice trade. Let's get NQ. NQ. Okay, NQ got the little bounce off of that, went up. Let me close this trade right here.
Order filled.
This is order filled, but I don't know why I feel it ain't not filled.
Your only flaw is you can't see. If you could see you through my eyes, you would know how much.
Ooh, I almost messed up. I almost took a trade of 5 contracts. Heck no.
Order submitted.
Almost took 5 contract trade, a 10 contract trade. Ooh, I'm glad I looked at that. That would have been trouble. We're at 50-50, 64-35.
Order filled.
Okay, so Tyler says, yes, the more days you load, the more history has to look at for historical pattern matches. So that's yours could be different because how many days you have loaded versus mine. Look at that. Ooh wee. That was a good one right there. Look at that. That was a good buy right there. Nice. Nice. Let me get that. Let me get that money real quick, cuz. Let me lock in all them contracts. Back them on up a little bit. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Reed. Nice little trade. Now this is a bigger. That was a bigger eval. That was a bigger eval. Don't do 5 contracts on a 50K account, okay? Now don't be doing no 5 contracts on a 50K account. I just took this right here, this 4-hour level.
I'll tell you, dating ain't the life no more. Not since I met the kindest soul. She brightens all the darkest places. Puts
Hold on one second.
frowning faces. She gives me love in time of need and showers me with positivity. She's mine, fellas, don't you even bother. Hell, I'm wondering how I even a beautiful woman.
We will call you back. Hey there. Hey Peacock. Hey there. Okay, all right, you're calling back. I'm calling back.
Waking up to seeing you like ocean front, a perfect view. There's nothing more amazing, babe, than knowing that you're all my babe. I'm blessed to have material bling, but none of it don't mean a thing. Just stick right here next to me. I want you for eternal, beautiful woman.
You know what I said, ain't no days off, bitch.
Yes, you are a beautiful woman.
All right.
A beautiful woman. When the skies are gray, say okay. A beautiful woman. Oh, if you can't help but love your woman.
All right. Where we at? Oh man, look at that NQ. That was a good bounce off NQ. Look at that. Nice, good money. Told you I was sitting there waiting. I was waiting at that 4-hour level, and it came back down and got your boy. Did anybody else catch that? That 4-hour bounce? Well, I know y'all trade. Y'all quiet.
I don't think I marked that level, that 4-hour level.
Oh, were you here in the morning when I was marking them up?
Yeah, but I don't think I had that one. I had the one from. It's marked from another.
Yeah, it was way back here. It was way back here. Oh, yeah, I didn't have that. Yeah, because this one, it was this one right here, but I got rid of that one because it was used up already. So I would look a little bit farther left and look at that. It touched it and said, I gotta go.
Oh, see, no, I didn't look that far.
Yeah, I had mine just below that. I need to lock in my levels.
Yeah, yeah. I used to have that issue before too. Mark up a level, accidentally move it, don't know. Look at that. That was the move right there. That 4-hour level. Look, it said, get out of here. You don't belong down here. Get out of here.
Everybody? What are you doing?
Hey, Joshy.
Auntie Vita said hello. He's gone.
You what?
He said hi and took off. Stuff be coming in the mail. I don't even know what the stuff is. Whatever.
Yeah, one PA just don't want to give the program. All my other ones are green except for this one.
And one PA just being hard headed, huh?
Yeah, I bet like 450 on it. I lost 2 yesterday and then 2 again on it today. I don't even remember making that trade to lose 2 either though.
Oh man.
I don't know what's going on with that. I'm not gonna mess with it for a while and see if it regenerates itself.
Hey, sometimes it be like that too. And it is weird. Like I'll trade and like some of my PAs and some of my evals will do good, but it just be like one PA or maybe one eval that for some reason can't get right. It's like I take a good trade, it lose money, but then I make money on all the other ones. The next day I take a trade, lose money, and then make money on the rest. I'm like, why are you being so hard-headed? You know, it's like it got to be psychological that I keep losing on that one account. Well, look at that NQ. NQ said we are gone. Look at that.
I would never call that. Look at it go.
Yeah. Hey, and I just took that buy off that line.
That's why when I looked at that 4 hours, I said, if it come back down here, I'm taking that.
So where's your 4 hour at? Well, how far is it from the? What day was it? Your 4 hour level?
Yeah, I can pull it up. Sure. That was from way back here because we didn't. This one didn't. I removed that one, so I had to go a little further back, and it was right here.
That little like
1218.
1218.
Mm-hmm.
You back in the day.
Yeah, that's the next level down there. Ain't nothing else.
Yeah. Let me load some more days, man.
Yeah. Got to load some more days, bro.
I was doing 100 days and it started freezing up on me.
Yeah. I only do as far as I need. You know what I'm saying? And the only reason why I added more was because this was the lowest point that I had. So I had to load some more days to see where's the next lowest from here. Yeah, so just load as many days as you have to. As it goes back up, start shortening the days again. Yeah, but because it was an older level, that's how I knew. I was like, I'm taking that because a lot of times them old levels be strong because the market couldn't get down there for over a month. Oh, the I don't know if you know, but the Vegas trip was changed, and
Yo, what happened? What's up?
it's just the 13th through the week of the 10th is the week of the 10th now.
All right.
Because other people weren't able to make it the third week, so
you pushed
he moved it. And it helped because when I moved it, when I changed my ticket dates to an earlier date, the price actually went down. I was like, oh, all right.
Try to make it out there, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, go ahead and get the ticket now. You can make pay. They actually have it to where you can make payments if you wanted to. You ain't even got to pay it all up front.
Okay.
Because it's months from now. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Man, can you say the number for that level? Because I feel like mine's is wrong. For the 18. Yeah.
There it is. 240. 25240.
25240.
I got a question now.
Uh-oh. And I said that too. I was like, I want NQ to go back up to the VWAP. That would be perfect. Come on up here. Come on up hither. I dare you. What is gold doing? Okay, gold was a nice bounce too off that EMA. Look at that. Now it went right back up to the VWAP, and now it's playing around the VWAP. Yeah, that was a monster trade right there. I like that one. I should have stayed in the trade longer. Man, I made about 300-400, got on up out of there. I should have stayed in that one because that was 5 contracts on the way up. See, sometimes I'll be slipping too. That was a 300K eval. Like, I should have just stayed in that one. Oh, don't start hesitating now. You got to come up to this VWAP. Come on up. What's that, 319?
Order submitted.
Man, for being just Europe, it's moving, man.
Yeah, yeah. I'm saying you still get some good movements now.
I already hit my quota with my evals. I'm good. Like but it's so many good moves still to make. You know what I mean?
I think the only difference is it might not count towards like how many days you have to trade. The money will count, but I don't think it counts if you have to trade like 8 days. I don't think it counts towards that.
Yeah, my eval is like in 3-day pass, so it's in an unlimited amount. So it's like might as well just make as much money as you can. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Like, hey, look, I trade whenever this thing is moving. I'll get in this market and bust a move now. I may not be there long. I might get in there, get 100, 200, and get out of there. But even though, especially when it's just an American holiday, like England still be moving and grooving. It's nice and sunny outside, but it is cold. And the kids, my son, he out of school tomorrow too. I'm like, why tomorrow? Like, why you out 2 days?
I can't get away from. I just can't.
School's just looking for any reason to keep the kids on.
Yeah, like we off Monday and we gonna take Tuesday off too. Keep them home. Yeah, since he's on tomorrow, I probably won't be on live TikTok that long. I'll still go live tomorrow. I just won't be there that long because he's off tomorrow as well. So we got to do something.
Okay, NQ hit the divergence.
Look at that! Look! It got to that. That VWAP. That VWAP easy.
Yeah, that's what I meant, the VWAP.
I mean, I would like for it to touch the VWAP, just to maybe whip a little bit above it a little bit. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's a good trade there. If you front ran it, awesome. Because if you front ran, it's by like what, a tick. Like that them three taps.
Man.
But do you think it's about to go down?
Yeah, it's going short if it hit the VWAP.
Yeah, I front ran and got like 150.
Yeah, see, I got a resting order because I'm not good with the tap.
Oh. Yeah, I only got a quick 150 off of it. But I got a bigger order for my 300K sitting there too.
Man, we won't get there. Come on.
Order
There
failed.
you go.
There you go.
Now going down.
Go, yeah, come on down. There we go. There we go.
All right,
Ooh,
I got it.
Boy. Hey. There we go. Smoke him if you got him.
Yeah, man, go do the same thing with earlier.
Smoke him if you got him.
It's going up now. What?
Yeah. That's all right. I got my money. That's all right. You go wherever you want to go now.
I just got it off that goal on the not the divergence, VWAP.
Oh, you got a VWAP. Oh yeah, that's bouncing that VWAP also.
Order filled.
I'm telling y'all can't be scared of these levels. Y'all see a trade, take a trade. These are strong levels. You know what I mean? Like they're strong levels. Like I feel confident at these levels when it gets there, especially when it drops down that far. When it drops down a good distance and comes back, yeah, it's that level. It just makes the level stronger the farther away it goes. Even if it tapped it a couple times, if it drops down a good distance and tries to come back up, it's going to be hard to get past it. You know what I'm saying? You could snatch up a good $200-300 and be on your way. Yeah! Got that thing again on NQ. I took it 2 times.
Me too.
See, it bounced up there. Hey, give me another opportunity. I'm going to take it. Thank you kindly. Yeah, that's a strong move up.
Order filled.
It's definitely a strong move up, though. But I tell you,
Right.
look, it's a strong move up.
That's what I was waiting on.
It's a strong move up. You know what I'm saying? Get your money, get out the way. That don't mean it won't go down again, but you know, it tapped that level a couple times. It's like, all right, time to go up a little higher. Which is why I just bought. I was like, it's a strong move up. Buy. Like I don't think too long. It tapped it a couple times. Like it's a strong move up. Buy it, and it bought it on the way up. And look at it. Gold still struggling at that one level.
Yeah, sure is.
I would like to see what it does if it got all the way back up to the R2, because it bounced off the R2 last time. It came all the way down here, went back up. I would like to see what it does right here, that swing high, or maybe the EMA up here.
R2, go.
Yeah, well, R2, just see how many times it gets there. See what it does, because you know, don't try not to jump right in. Just see what it does when it gets there, and then decide when to get in there. Oh, it's not there yet.
Yeah, it is.
Go is moving too slow for me.
I got it on micros, so it might look
okay, yeah, micros, you good. I just want y'all to be aware of the swing when it swings a little bit higher than normal.
Is there a way to check how how to see how much you made on each trade. I don't know how to do that.
How much you made on
like on my
per trade?
Like per trade? Yeah, like on my PA.
You can go to if you go to new and go to trade performance. Yeah, it might be able to show you on there trade performance. And I think you could go to account data. Yeah, there we go. I bought it on up. Give me my money. Yeah, I bought NQ up, not gold. I bought NQ on the way up.
Well, I'm not trading gold. Gold moves too slow.
Yeah. So what I did right there is that's when I put that buy stop. What I did, I went on here and I hit buy stop, but I put it right here at the VWAP. So once it touched the VWAP, it put me into a buy to go higher.
Oh, let's see.
Order filled.
Now it's got a little hesitation going on. Don't slow down now. You bad man going to the top. Don't slow down now. But y'all already know what I did though, right? You want to hesitate? All right, I got your hezzy. I'm gonna take a short. Take it on down to the ground.
It says 73% short anyway.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I seen it hesitating. I seen them 3 taps. I was like, I'm taking a short then. Yeah. There we go. You want to hit me with the hezzy? I'm gonna go ahead and take it. Was that 82?
Order filled.
I'm struggling to keep going up. It's trying though. NQ, go ahead and just give up. Just go and drop down. Just go and give up. You didn't prove your point. It's okay.
Gotcha, bitch.
There we go. It's okay. Go down. Go on down.
Gotcha, bitch.
Go on down. Look at it. Just go on down. Give up. Give it up for a real one. There we go. Just let it go. Just let it go. NQ put up a good fight. It put up a good fight, but it's time to let it go. Yeah! Yeah! All right. Good. Nice. Smooth 1700 on that one. And that's the eval. That's the 250 eval. Okay. I'm just trying to knock out these evals and get these passed. Because these are my last two Apex evals. Because I passed one last night, and I'm trying to pass these last 2 hopefully this week. That'd be nice. I'm trying to get to that number 20. Once I get to number 20, then I can start passing the bigger accounts to start replacing. I still got like 2 or 3 25K PAs with Apex. So I would like to replace those 25Ks with 250s or 300s. So once I get to number 20, I'm gonna start taking bigger evals, and once I pass them, I would normally liquidate a 25K account, meaning I'll withdraw all the money in there and just let them go ahead and take it away, or just blow that 25K account, and then I could just activate a new 300 or 250 in its place. Because the goal is to have 20 300s or 250s. Because once I have 20 of them, oh man, I'm copy trading all of them. One contract copy trade, give me about 800-900, close it out.
Mr. H,
Yeah.
what's the theory of having multiple accounts as opposed to just say one?
Well, because you can make more money without having to risk the money you already made in one of them. You know what I'm saying? Like you can literally trade on, let's say, keep this in here, 219? You can literally take several trades.
Order submitted.
On the same day without having to risk the money that you made in account number one. So if account number one, I made 300 and I still want to trade, I could go account number two, make 300, account number three, make 300. And if I lose money in account number four, I'm not that mad because the first three I made money in, versus trying to trade one account, make $300, $400, $500, $800 in one account, right? Because think about it, if you can make $200 with 5 accounts, there's your 1,000, which is a lot easier than trying to make 1,000 in one account. It's still 1,000. It's just a lot easier when you separate the accounts. And the value of having a bunch of bigger accounts is now, instead of doing 1 contract per trade, I can do 2 to 3 contracts per trade. So that same 40 ticks that's normally what, $200, I can do that same 40 ticks with 2 contracts. You know what I'm saying? So now that 200 is now 400. You know what I'm saying? That 400 could be 600 if I did 3 contracts. So it's the same amount of ticks. 40 ticks is still 40 ticks. It's just because I have a bigger account, I can add more contracts to that 40 ticks. And you can make more money with the same movement. Like the buy I just bought. I hope, did y'all buy that at the VWAP? I just bought it at the VWAP.
I did. Yep. I got it.
All right, cool. I just bought it at the VWAP too. See that?
Oh, well.
See that, the same movement, but I'm 10 contracts.
Damn.
Yeah! That's the reason for having bigger accounts, because you can't do 10 contracts on a 50K. You're gonna tear it up. You're gonna tear that 50K up. But yeah, that's why I want to start switching all my smaller accounts into bigger ones. That way I could do 5 contracts. You know what I'm saying? And have the same 10 ticks. You know, or I do 20 ticks is $100 with 1 contract. You know what I'm saying? So that same movement of 20 ticks with 5 contracts is now $500 instead of 100. So if you got 20 accounts and you're doing $500 a pop versus $100 a pop. You know, I don't have to focus on trying to make more ticks in the market. Because I'm solid at 40. I could get 40 ticks at any given time. You know what I'm saying? I see a good trade, 40 ticks. There's my 200 done.
To be a song, you know, it's more of a vibe. It's the light slow.
Look at that, cool. We got some good money off that bounce real quick because it closed. Once again, it closed above. The reason why I took that is because it closed above the VWAP. So when it closed above the VWAP, it came back down, tested the VWAP, bounced up a little bit, made some money, and now it's continuing down because it's still a 82% chance of a short. But I was able to get in there, snatch up some loot, and then step to the side, let it go, let it continue on its way.
I tried it again.
I mean, you could try to get in. It wasn't a bad trade, you know, just, you might not get as much.
Yeah, but it looked like it was going down, so I'm glad I got out. I took a little loss.
Yeah, it's 82% chance of a short. So
yeah, that's why when I heard that, I was like, uh-oh.
Let me go ahead and get out of the way. that was a good choice. But the reason why we got that first bounce was, look at this. We got that first bounce because we weren't the only ones sitting there waiting for a buy. Look at all these green levels that popped in right when it got to that level.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? So that's why I felt confident taking it also. That's why I always have this up. Because if I'm gonna buy the market and I see all these green popping in, I'm like, all right, I can sit here and chill for a little bit. Because that 82% chance of a short could have been the fact that this is going down. It didn't lie. It's still going down, but you have other forces working to put that thing back on up. You know, so it's always a back and forth battle. It's just sometimes the buy win more than the sell. But that's why it's always good to have that time. That's why we have multiple screens, because I can have my time and sales just sitting there in the corner, so I may not be looking at it, but I can tell from the corner of my eye, I see a bunch of green on there. As you see, look, it's going up because they're putting in a lot of buy orders. You know that's why, you know, a lot of people ask me, you know, instead of being a student, can I just pay you for a one-on-one? And I'm like, there's way too much information to learn to just do a one-on-one and think you're gonna learn enough. It's just too much.
I know, man.
I can't sit there for 2 hours to teach you everything you need to know about the market to be successful.
Why say a 70% chance of a short, but all this green and it's still going up?
Because people are putting that in. People are putting those orders in. Even though the market's closed, you still have people that are hedge funds and stuff like that are still putting in 17 contracts, 12, 10. Even though there's a big chance of a short, they in here like, nah, we going up. Let's push it on up. I mean, if you look at it, it's still going down though. I mean, it's not like they're pushing it up to go sky high. They're just fighting the level.
Yeah.
So then that's the thing with the market. I can take a buy and you could take a sell. We could both make money. We could both lose money. You know what I'm saying? It's about your entry and when you decide to get up out of there. I could have took a short, made about 200-300, and then bought the market and made 200-300 on the way back up. You know, and within 5 minutes of each other.
Man, it's bouncing off of that.
Exactly, because the market wants to go down, but that VWAP is just a strong level, and you got people still putting in orders to buy.
Because I see on the VWAP it's starting to change to yellow.
Yeah, because it's trying to keep it above. That yellow is meaning is a bigger chance to stay above it than below it. Yeah, but that's why we have the class, the videos in the class to refresh here and there. We trade 3 days a week, and we have Saturday practice because is you just can't watch a couple videos and like, I'm ready, I'm the best trader ever. You know what I'm saying? Like it takes consistent practice in looking at this market and learning what days is what. How's this moving? Why is this moving like that? You know, there's a lot of little intricate things that you have to look at as well. But the more you stare at the chart, the more you practice, the easier it gets. Because within a split second of me taking a trade, I look at maybe 5-6 different things before I jump in. And there's also premeditation. I premeditate like, okay, if it comes down here, this is the level I would like to do this. You know, if it comes up here, this is what I'm looking at. So I'm waiting for it to get there. I'll probably ignore all the other levels because I'm like, I want this trade, not that one. I want this one. And I'll wait for that trade. And when that trade
So when it changes colors, that means it's about to go up? I never knew that.
Well, the color just lets you know what's more likely to happen. Right now, since it's been above the VWAP so long, it started to turn yellow, saying that there's a good area to buy it. If it goes below that area and it closed down here, it'll turn back purple because it's resisting it. Is keeping it below it. If you look right here, you have a little bit of yellow right here because it closed above it and it couldn't get bounced down again. So it stayed yellow for a while, and then once it closed below it, it turned purple again. Because now it's a certain distance and it closed on the other side. So that just shows the closing.
Baby got it. Yeah.
What you did a short from there?
No, I stayed there for a long time. I'm good.
Okay, cool.
I was in there.
He just stayed in there, just stayed in the pocket.
Yeah, man.
Look, GC doing the same thing.
I got that one too.
AQ and GC doing the same exact movements. They like this damn VWAP.
R2 wheel, and I sold it there and I stayed in for a good little while.
Nice.
Yes, sir. We can pack them done. Hey, we can pack it up.
Yeah. Who's on? Yeah. I'm about to head on out here too, guys. I hope everybody was able to get their bread. We've been here for about almost 2 hours.
Yeah. Thank you. Thanks everybody.
For sure.
Thank you.
If you guys got any questions, just hit me up. You know, it was a good trade day. You know, for a holiday, holiday money.
See y'all Wednesday, man. Let's
Thank you. See you guys later.
Thanks. Bye, guys.
Thanks.